Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna cover 10 essential keyboard shortcuts in After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna show you the most important shortcuts in Adobe After Effects, because the more shortcuts you know, the faster you will be. So we're gonna start with the transform properties. Select the layer and then press A for anchor point, B for position, S for scale, R for rotation, T for opacity. Now let me press on this arrow. And the second is Control Shift and D, which is to cut your layer in half. So just press on the keyboard Control Shift and D, and that will cut your layer in half, and you can delete the part that you don't want. So let's delete this part. The third is the plus and minus. The plus is to expand your timeline, and the minus is to contract your timeline. Now let's go for the fourth one, which is 0. And 0 allows you to preview your composition. And if you press Shift and 0, your preview will skip every other frame, and that will reduce your render time in half. So it will be a fast preview. And the fifth is U, which is to see all the keyframes on the layer. So let's see for layer 2 and press U on the keyboard. Here are the keyframes on this layer. So let's click it back. Now let's go for another one, which is the bracket key on the keyboard. If you go to the timeline and you want to move this layer to the playhead right here, if you press the right bracket key, it will be in the front of the playhead. And if you press on the left bracket, it will be on the end of the playhead. So let's get it back. And for the seventh shortcut, we're gonna press Ctrl D to duplicate our layer. And now let's go for another one, which is home and end. And that will allow you to move quickly to the playhead to the end or the last frame of your timeline. And the ninth shortcut is the tilde key, which allows you to expand your panel to fill the screen by hovering your mouse to the panel that you want to fill the screen and pressing the tilde key. And for the last one is pre-compose, which is Control Shift and C. So you're gonna select all the layers that you want to pre-compose and click on the keyboard Control Shift C, and that will bring up the pre-compose panel, and you will just press OK. It is very important for organizing your files. So guys, that is pretty much the most important shortcuts in Adobe After Effects. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would be grateful if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.